I got a nice little radio for you. I've had this for about a month, but other radios have come in and I gave them priority. I got this radio on sale. It was half price, $25. I got it for half price, $12.50. It's a neat little radio. It's one of those radios that if you're a seller and you buy in bulk, you can get them to put your name on it. This one, I believe that's a G, golden. Could be a C, colon. I don't know. But you can also, you can get the same radio from Prunus with their name on it. It's AM, FM, shortwave, 5.9 megahertz to 18 megahertz. It's Bluetooth. It can be a Bluetooth speaker. It has a TF card slot for the MP3 player or a USB slot. 2 LEDs, one for power on indicator, one for charge indicator. The DC port for charging the internal battery, which is an 18650, or if I can get this off, which is a little difficult, there we go, or you can use D cells. That's a pretty neat feature. Comes with the battery. There we go. Has a telescopic antenna for FM and shortwave, very short, 12 inches. It does swivel. Solar charging of that battery. You could do that. We don't have anything over here. This does have one unique feature that I have not seen on other radios. And that is, it's got a carrying handle, but it also has a place you can put a cell phone. So you can put the cell phone there and then use this as the Bluetooth speaker. Pretty cool. Now we can turn it on. I have some, I think, free music from the YouTube library. I got hit a couple of shows ago with a copyright because I used a music file that was quite old from the YouTube library, and apparently it had been tagged by somebody, so I got a hit. So I put new files on here. Hopefully they're all free. Let's just turn it on. I turn it on in music mode. Very good sound. Plenty of volume. Use these buttons up here to go to the next track. Go back. Pause. Oh, all right. Another thing I just noticed and I forgot about is if you look real closely there, and I'll show you come on camera, focus. Right where on the pause button, it says TWS. So this is one of those radios, and I haven't tried it yet, that you can combine with another radio that has TWS function and use them as a stereo setup. All right. I showed you the stand. I think I can get, although it's not very active, let me go to, we take this card out. I got the off, we pull this card out. When you pull this card out, and you've selected the music selection, you got music, FM, AM, and shortwave. When you select music, with the card out, it's in Bluetooth mode. So I'm going to turn this on.
Waiting for pairing.
Waiting for pairing. And I'm trying to get it to pair with my good cell phone. And let me see if it's paired. I think I heard a click, so I think it's paired. And what I've got going on my cell phone, I'll show you, is I'm using this website you can listen to. various things like police, fire, and EMS on the internet. And right now it's connected to the Clearwater, excuse me, Police Department, which is right now, thank goodness, not very active. So let me make sure I got Bluetooth still connected. It may have disconnected. Bluetooth. Okay, it's on, but I'm going to turn off and then I'll turn it back on. Okay, it's pairing. Sorry, it's just taking a while. So it's pairing right now. And it says it's connected. But like I say, let me turn the volume up on the cell phone and make sure I turn the volume up here. Oh, I don't think it's connected.
Waiting for pairing.
Waiting for pairing. Well, pair. I don't know if it's going to pair. I had it pairing a few minutes ago. Naturally, when I do a show, it doesn't want to cooperate. All right, let me try this one more time, and then we're going to give up. Okay, I turned Bluetooth off on my cell phone. Turn it back on. It's look like it's looking. And I have a lot of devices that I have paired with, so it's searching, and now it says done, but did it pair? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what this device is called, what the tag is. Could be any of these things. All right, we'll skip that for now. It works, but I can't get it to pair right now. So let's change modes to, let me get this down, to FM. Turn the volume down because I want to make sure we don't get any music. There's FM. The dial's right there. So let's go down to the bottom. Oop.
The highest profile lawsuits
Here we go.
against President Trump's efforts to increase deportations.
NPR's Jimena Bustillo has been found.
That should be the WUSF station in Tampa. And normally if I can get that, it's pretty good radio. And I don't even have the antenna extended. Let's extend it. Not very long, 12 inches, like I said. Turn the volume back up.
This is the mega prison.
Now we'll have to scan real quick. Stay away from music. No muting. Oh yeah. I am amazed at these little radios. Yeah, it's picking up a lot of stations. Okay, let's go to AM. And we'll go back to the bottom of the band. Turn the volume back up. Likes to be that way.
We are to give a reason for the
yeah. Good. It's amazing what these little radios can do.
So here's the thing: this woman from Palm Harbor had
good volume, clear.
Got her taking up the cause.
And look at that.
Yeah, there are a couple of things going on.
Man. This is amazing. Okay, we got one more place to go, and that's shortwave. Probably won't get much on shortwave, but we'll try. Let's go down to the bottom of the band, starting at 5.9. So we can't go to 5 megahertz to try WWV. This it'll pick up. I'll get the antenna straight up and down. The antenna will rotate Be careful because it's kind of stiff. Okay, there we go. Yeah, there we go.
That's where it didn't start. And that's why I refuse, just because I refuse to try live.
That could be out of Tennessee. Does seem to mute. Yeah, definitely muting while tuning. That's about it. I'm going really quickly. Probably miss a lot. Or missing some. Okay, so I did pick up something on shortwave, probably Nashville, Tennessee. I had a comment on the last one where I mentioned muting while tuning I didn't like. There's various degrees of muting while tuning. Some radios, excuse me, you really don't notice it so much. I mean, the reaction time is so fast. You can tell it's there, but you don't notice it. Other radios, the circuitry is not that good, and there's a sizable delay when muting is turned off and turned back on. And so you get the, and if you're not really slow when tuning, you're going to miss stations. This is kind of, okay, now my cell phone is active with the local police. So let's try Bluetooth again.
Waiting for pairing.
Pairing. Now, I don't remember, but I think it announces when it's paired, and it's not pairing. Let me try one more time, then I'm going to quit wasting your time. Okay, I'm starting, trying to get it to pair up. I am getting some activity on the Clearwater Police. Okay, now it stopped searching, so apparently it found something, some kind of Bluetooth speaker. Don't hear anything here. So I guess, yeah, I had it working earlier. Okay, here's a new one. Let's try this one. An app needs to be used with this device. What does that mean? No, that must be something else. Okay, we'll try one more available device. Come on. I guess I need to make a list of what these devices are. This because a lot of them are cryptic. BT03. I don't know what. Pair with it. Okay, yes, pair. Come on, pair.
Connected.
Connected. Okay, now we just need to get some audio from the program that's running right now, and I'm listening to the Clearwater Police, which, like I say, thank goodness, right now at what time is it? 6 o'clock in the morning. They're not very active. Now, the ones that I used to listen to was the Pinellas County Fire and EMS. They went inactive. And then the best one I was listening to is Pinellas County Fire, Sheriff, EMS, Clearwater Police, St. Pete Police. That was a fabulous one. And it went deaf, 6 months ago. You can still hear something, but it's just noise. Okay, guys, come on. Somebody give us a police report. I guess not. Well, anyway, it did pair. I have heard it. And that actually what I'm going to do is that particular station, I'll call it, Clearwater Police, the audio from that radio that's on the internet is very low. And I've got my cell phone audio max, and I can barely hear it. I don't want to wear earphones, So what I'm going to do, since this one has this nice stand, I'm going to use it for the Bluetooth speaker. And that way I can see, I'll test it and see how much volume I can get out of it instead of just from the cell phone. Because the cell phone volume for that particular channel is really low. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I am doing shows that are of some interest and not wasting your time. If you haven't subscribed, that would be fantastic. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.